Hey guys, welcome back in Upgrade Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to move an object to another background. In our case, we have a photo of a girl. So let's cut her out and move her to another background. In this case here, we are using this tool on the left side. When you click the right button of the mouse and pick up Magic Tool, after that, you have to click on Select Subject here up. We have to wait 2 to 3 seconds, and as you can see, we selected the girl. You see it? So after that, we have to click on Select and Mask, and you see the menu on the right side. So here we have to search down the output settings. And when you click on them, you'll see the contaminate colors. So click on, and after that, click on OK button. So you see what happened with the background? So now here on the left, if you click the button, you can move the girl wherever you want to. And it's so easy actually to do it. And you see how precise actually we cut her hair and everything. So this is the fastest way to cut an object and to move it to another background. And with this tool on the left side here up, if you click it, we can catch the girl and drag her to another background that we had previously open. So now we have the girl in the forest, right? You know, maybe it's good to fix some details, but I'm going to show you how to do it in one of the next videos. So if you like the video, if you think that it was useful for you, don't forget to hit the like button, please. And see you soon, guys. Thank you very much.